Hey guys, welcome. So I want to show you how I used the new kid in town. I'm referring to OpenAI's Chat GPT to get me a lesson plan that I am intending to start working on, and I wanted to share with you how awesome this tool is. Now, this is by no means a final lesson plan, but definitely a very good start. What I mean is, I'm going to go through each one of these and probably maybe add more um, or combine one of the steps. So, but as a starter, I will highly recommend this for anyone who is thinking of doing anything with with this. So just to start, here is my first question. I asked ChatGTP. First of all, um, if you want to if you want to do the same thing, go to chat.openai.com/chat. That is the website that you need uh, to do this. So, so quickly, here is how I started with my question. I said, get me a lesson plan for JavaScript for complete beginners. Then it gave me the answers. It gave me 6 points. Start by explaining what JavaScript is and why it is important programming language to learn. You could also show some examples of what can be built with JavaScript, such as websites, games, and mobile apps. And it went to the next. And then I asked it to break point number one into topics. So, and it did. It did. So, for example, for number one, where it suggests I explain what JavaScript is and how it can be used to make mobile apps, games, and websites. So, this is a breakdown. So, what is JavaScript and why is it important? Examples of what can be built with JavaScript, the history and evolution of the JavaScript language, the relationship between JavaScript and other technologies such as HTML and CSS, the different ways that JavaScript can be used in web development, such as the one on the server and the browser. And then, so as you can see, this is pretty neat. And for sure, if I want, I could ask it to tell me what JavaScript is, right? So just for a test, how about we do that? Then we'll continue. I'm going to copy this as a text. I will paste it here. At the bottom of the page, you will see where you can type your questions. And I'm going to hit go or submit. I'm going to scroll and let's watch as it tells me, it answers my question. Here we go. It started. JavaScript is a programming language that is commonly used to add interactivity and dynamic content to websites. It is an essential language for front end web development and is also used on the server side and the development of mobile apps. JavaScript is important because it enables web developers to create rich and engaging user experience on the web. I'm not going to read all of this, but as you can see, this is neat. Like literally, Chat GPT can write your entire thing. It can. Obviously, it needs that us, the human supervision. You need to go and check to make sure that that is what you intended to do, right? But let's go back to step two um, here when I asked it to break the point. So it broke it broke down step one into these uh, five topics: one, two, three, four, five, and like you've seen, I could ask it to do each one of these for me, or I could do that myself. So that is neat. And then I asked it to do for step number two. Just for a refresher, this is step number two, okay, which is introduce the basics of JavaScript syntax, including variables, data types, operators, and control structures. So let's see what it says. Basic JavaScript syntax, including variables, data types, operators, and control structure. Writing a simple program in JavaScript such as that prints hello world to the console using the JavaScript console to run and debug, and so on and so forth. So I could copy this and ask it either to break it further down or to write it for me. Um, I hope you are kind of getting the gist of this. It's really cool. Then I asked it to do the same for step three, step four, step five, and finally step six. So that is neat. I will be teaching this JavaScript course in Hausa language. Hausa language. If you don't know what Hausa language is, it's mostly spoken in West Africa and some part of the world too. So there's someone asked me, I did a JavaScript course couple years, a JavaScript video in Hausa a couple years ago, and someone reached out to me and asked me if I could continue with that. And I thought, hey, that's an opportunity. There's a demand out there. Let me get those things continued. So that is it, guys. That's what I wanted to show you. Really awesome. It doesn't matter what the topic is. Give it to ChatGPT, and it's gonna help you um, get you a lesson plan. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do like this video so that the YouTube algorithm will kind of favor this video to bump it up so that other people can see this. Other than that, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.